the thing that's going to make the whole car work. It's going to be sick. So I've laid all the attesa system in just to get an idea of where it's all going to fit. That's the X5 stuff. It's alright, but it just wouldn't be as strong. And obviously the output of it is on the wrong side. Whereas this one's running it down the passenger side, which gives me a lot more room for the diff. And it's just thrown in there on wood at the moment. I need to make some bracketry up. What I'm going to do, put a flat plate across here and mount some tubes across here just to pin it all, mount off the rear diff points, probably cut that mount off because that's not going to work with this setup. But I'll pull the box out to do all that. Now I can just line everything perfectly, because anything sort of there, engine speed, is going to cause all sorts of problems if it's not aligned properly or balanced or welded correctly or whatever. And then obviously the Nissan prop went into the back. Whether or not I'm going to keep that, I don't know. Probably what I'll end up doing is just getting a company just to make every drive shaft, just take the whole car to them and just say, look, that's a BMW rear diff, BMW front diff, that's a Nissan transfer case, can you make it all up? Because obviously it's going to be BMW M4 diff to Corvette drive shafts, and then it goes into a Corvette hub, so it's all going to be custom and it's going to probably be quite expensive, annoyingly. But short of putting an M4 subframe in, which I think that ship's probably sailed now, there's no real way around it. I've got a sheet of 460 cut, which is to here. So I can fill in a lot of this down there. Yeah. Obviously I'll have to box that back to there. Pin down nice. Make a little filler piece for down here. Right, so what I've done now is I've got the metal in and trimmed. What I'll do with this piece is I'll make a little sort of donut to go around it, just finish it off nicely. But you probably could, with measurements and dicking around, make it so it fit like perfectly first go, but you just spend hours and get nowhere. So trimmed all that to fit down there. That tucks it nicely against this back piece. Then this edge we folded over, as I said before. And then what I'll probably do, make a box that comes up, tie in that rear, tie in here, and just smooth all that off. Not off the box, I could just go straight up and just catch this around here. Just neatens everything up, covers up all those holes. Probably the most ghetto way of bending ever. But it's right there. Got the first one in and bent. Obviously nothing's welded, still need to put the pattern on top. I'm tempted to not actually put anything on there because it looks quite slick, smooth. Don't know, maybe. The seating position as well. Sit it a bit lower, just get it away from those the bars at the top. Yeah, quite nice and low. Problem is I need it to be at a reasonable height, so I need to be able to see over that scoop. So I can't have myself sat on the floor. That cause all sorts of problems.